जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का स्टडी बेस चैनल में। मैं हूं राहुल प्रेजेंटिंग यू ऑनलाइन डेली टेस्ट एनालिसिस फॉर ऑनलाइन डेली टेस्ट which was posted on our website on 15 July 2019 at studybiz.com. Okay, let's move on to 10 questions for which I'll be providing the exclusive analysis. Let's move on to first question. So this is our first question. The name of Chandrayaan-2 rover. So what is the name of Chandrayaan-2 rover? This is a question. So Chandrayaan-2 is a prestigious project of India, and it has an orbiter, it has a lander, it has a rover. So our orbiter is the one which orbits, and lander is the one that is nothing but a Vikram. So lander is Vikram. Okay, and Aditya has nothing to do here. Pragyan is the right answer, and Pragyan is the rover. Okay, so let me check this. So this will also show you how to attempt the quiz on studybiz.com. If you have not attempted the quiz, please go attempt the quiz and come back to our channel to view the exclusive analysis that will help you. Okay guys, let's move on to next question. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Scheme was launched during which 5-year plan? This is the question. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Scheme. First of all, we should understand when was this launched. It was launched in 1983, so it was launched during 6th plan. So this is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to next question. What was the percentage of tax collected during Shatavahanas? So Shatavahanas do collected the tax of the total produce. So how much was the percentage? So it was 1/6. This can be asked, and very important question from prelims perspective. Next question. The 13th Conference of Parties of the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, CMS, will be held at Gandhinagar. This is again a straightforward question. When will it be held? So it will be held in February 2020. Okay, so let's move on to next question, guys. Okay, so horse bones were traced in which Indus Valley site? Well, we arrived at a question. This is a debatable question, absolutely debatable, because horse bones were traced in the excavations at Surkotada in Gujarat, but there were few sources stating that horse was never domesticated. So what do we say? If horse was never domesticated, how did we get these bones? So this is a debatable question, and these bones reveal that horse could be the domesticated animal or something like that during later Harappan phase. Might not be during the earlier phase, but still many famous historians discuss about this and debate on this on both the theories. So let us remember that from exams perspective, we can be asked in any form, so we should be aware of these sort of questions. So this will help us improve our knowledge. Let's move on to next question. So okay, let me select this. So Khotara. CPI inflation for the year 2018-19 was CPI inflation for the year 2018-19 was 3.4. It is pretty straightforward question if you are gone through economic survey of 2018-19, which was recently published before budget. Next question. Japan surpasses which country to rank number 1 in global passport index? Well, Japan and Singapore, both the countries hold very strong passport, and Singapore was the leading one, and currently Japan has surpassed it to become the much strongest passport holding country. So well, the answer here is Singapore. Let's move on to next question. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes (NCST) was established by which amendment law? This is a question. Okay, by 89th Amendment law. This is the answer. But NCST was established in which year? I mean, like, constitutional status was granted in which year? It was granted in 2003. So two answers we got. So one is NCST was established by 89th Constitutional Amendment law, and it was constitutionally amended to include in Constitution in 2003. Okay. So another question I'll cover you here. What was the article inserted as part of this Constitutional Amendment 89? So it was 338A. Okay. Okay. So 338A. So why is this important? Recently, National Commission for Backward Classes was given constitutional status by creating a new article 338B. Okay. So it was part of 102 constitutional amendment. So if you analyze in this way and if you study, so you could not only cover one question, rather you would cover into four minimum questions. So that is very important to note. And so here we discussed almost five questions. So that's why daily analysis is very important. Let's move on to last two questions. As per recent Caspian Sea agreement, Caspian Sea to be, see, there was 2 decade long dispute over Caspian Sea between the countries, and but finally it was agreed to be used in a peaceful manner, and Russia was part of it and Azerbaijan was part of it. So total five countries have come into an agreement, and so it was finally concluded, okay, to consider it as what it is, like Caspian Sea. Okay, let's move on to last question. Mekong River recently news is not spreading. See, देखिए, Mekong River is not present in, is present in China, is present in Thailand, Cambodia, Tibet. So it covers almost from Tibet, China to much southward towards Cambodia, Thailand. So it's very strategically important for India. So why is it strategically important? If you want, I'll make a separate video on that. Okay, guys, I'll select this. Nepal. It's not present in Nepal. Okay. So let me score the quiz, and I scored 100%. Okay. So well, that's all, guys. If you have any doubt, do ping me on WhatsApp groups, or else leave feedback at team@studybiz.com. Okay, so this daily analysis is common, and this daily online test is also common across all the groups, all the WhatsApp groups. I mean, like aspirants covering APPSC, TSPSC, AMPSC, also UPSC. Okay, so for all these people, I am presenting in such a way that it will help all the people. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll catch you on tomorrow with a fresh analysis. Thank you so much. Bye bye.